How to turn on or turn off show plum to take selfies on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on camera app. Now here, so click on this three dot icon. So after click on this four dot icon, click on settings icon. Now in settings, scroll down and click on shooting methods. So after click on shooting method, you will see show plump is here. So if you want to turn on show plump, so turn on this button, you will see show plump is turn on. So if you want to turn off show plump, so turn off this button, you will see show plump is turn off. So you will turn on or turn off show plumps from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can turn on or turn off show plumps to take selfies on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.